Dear students, now we will be discussing about the tolerance reagents and test of tolerance reagent. We also discussing about the pairs we can distinguish by the tolerance reagents. Tolerance reagent is diamine silver hydroxide compound. It is a weak oxidizing agent. It's oxidized to aldehyde to the salt of carboxylic acid. We can prepare tolerance reagent by the mixing of silver nitrate solution in sodium hydroxide solution. It gives a brown PPT of silver oxide. This brown PPT is soluble in ammonia water. We mix few drop of ammonia water and shake it, then it gives tolerance reagent. You can see in video how can we prepare tolerance reagent. First we take some aqueous solution of silver nitrate and we mix few drop of NaOH. Then we get a brown PPT after few seconds. This brown PPT is soluble in ammonia water, aqueous ammonia solution. Now we will mixing some ammonia water solution with the help of dropper. And you can see red brown PPT is soluble in ammonia water. Then we get an silver complex diamine silver hydroxide. This complex known as tolerance reagent. It is a colorless solution. Its solution is a weak oxidizing agent and oxidize only active aldehyde groups, alpha hydroxyketone, formic acid and chloroform. Normal ketones does not give positive tolerance test. Now we will be identifying aldehyde white tolerance reagent test or silver mirror test. We take in some amount of acetaldehyde in a test tube and mix some drop of tolerance reagent and shake well. After few seconds we saw no change in color. Then we kept test tube in warm water. It have temperature approximate 50 degrees Celsius. Then you can see color of test tube is changing slowly. It has turned like silver solution and test tube below part look like silver mirror. So this test called silver mirror test. Only aldehyde gives a positive test. Normal ketone do not give silver mirror test positive, means do not form silver like solution. Some other compound gives positive mirror test as like benzaldehyde, formic acid, chloroform, reducing sugar as like glucose, fructose, etc. Dear friends, benzaldehyde also gives positive test, but it's not give Phelan test positive because in Phelan solution reaction enolates ion formed by the removal of alpha hydrogen, but benzaldehyde haven't any alpha hydrogen, so it gives negative Phelan test, but it gives positive silver mirror test. It is rememberable point. Another aldehyde which give negative Phelan test is pyrrole aldehyde. It's haven't also any alpha hydrogen, but it's also give positive tolerance reagent test, so it is also the memorable point for the competition examination. Fructose have 5 alcohol group and 1 ketone group, but it's also give positive silver mirror test and also positive Fehling solution test, because by tautomerization some amount of fructose change into glucose. So due to presence of glucose, fructose also gives positive test. Now we will be discussing about some organic compounds pair which can be distinguished by the Tollens test or silver mirror test. Number 1, aldehyde and ketone. Mostly all aldehyde gives positive silver mirror test, but ketone not given positive test. It means it's not from silver mirror. Example, ethanol and propanol we can distinguish by the Tollens test. Another, acetaldehyde and ethanoic acid also distinguished by this test, because acetaldehyde gives positive Tollens test and ethanoic acid gives negative Tollens test. Next pair may be formaldehyde and acetic acid. Formaldehyde gives positive test, makes silver mirror, but acetic acid do not make silver mirror. Another pair, formic acid. Formic acid is only carboxylic acid which gives positive test. Other carboxylic acid do not give positive Fehling test. So we can distinguish formic acid and acetic acid by silver mirror test. Only chloroform gives positive Tollens reagent test, and other alkyl halide not from positive test. Benzaldehyde and acetophenone also can be distinguished by Tollens reagent test, because benzaldehyde gives positive test, but acetophenone gives negative silver mirror test. Glucose gives positive Tollens test, so glucose and sucrose can be distinguished with Tollens reagent test or silver mirror test. Dear student, now you are able to distinguish pair of organic compound by the Tollens reagent test and Fehling solution. It is very important topic according to the CBSE exam and board exam and competition also. Thank you. Bye. Best of luck.